More than 1 million people in the United States get cancer every year, but researchers are trying to lower that number.
One way to do that is through a comprehensive research study. In today's Health Check, Delane Cleveland tells us more about the study and how it can help future generations.
Good morning.
Research studies require patience
So I'm just going to ask you a few questions just to reconfirm your eligibility.
and a willingness to answer a few personal questions.
Are you between the ages of 30 and 65?
Yes.
Okay, and ever been diagnosed with cancer?
No.
Or in this case, a waist measurement
That's for people that are feeling a little faint.
and a prick on the arm to get several vials of blood drawn.
I've had 3 kids, it doesn't.
None of which is a problem for Erin Myhrer.
Well, we just know people that have had cancer, and I want to support them in any way I can, and this is something that's not hard, and I can do it even with my kids here.
Myhrer is one of 240,000 people nationwide who have signed up for the American Cancer Society's Cancer Prevention Study 3.
We want to better understand what causes cancer and what could potentially prevent cancer as well.
To accomplish that task, researchers want to make sure they get committed participants.
Are you willing to make a long-term commitment of filling out surveys every 2 to 3 years for the next 20 to 30 years?
Yes.
Perfect.
To fill out detailed questionnaires.
So we're interested in looking at genetic markers, hormones, nutrients, and things such as nutrition and physical activity as well.
She says what makes this study different from previous ones is that people's lifestyles have changed, which means that researchers need a new set of data.
People used to work at home, and now they're working away from home. They spend much more time on the computer, not so much time outside.
It's a fact not lost on Myhrer, who hopes that a little time devoted to answering questions will go a long way in the fight against cancer.
This is one way that I can have, use myself as someone who doesn't have cancer as a example of and information to give researchers that may help them find a cure in the future.
In Plymouth, Delane Cleveland, 12 News.
The American Cancer Society hopes to have 300,000 people signed up for the study by the end of the year. For more information, you can go to our website. It's 12.tv.